All right, folks, I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok video first. Download the app. Just go to the App Store or Play Store, search for TikTok. I've already got it, but you'll need to download the TikTok Global Video Community app, so go ahead and do that. Okay, now let's jump into the app and see how to create an account. I already have one called TikTok Sosmet Santui, but let's make a new one. To do this, we'll switch accounts and add a new one. You can choose to sign up with email, Facebook, Apple ID, or Google account. The easiest is Google. Just hit continue and then you'll see your Google accounts. Just pick the one you want. Which one should I use? Let's say I'll use this monitor plan strategy, okay? It's simple, guys. Just choose your birthday. Let's say January 1st. I'll put January 1st and set it to 195. Okay, next. Now create a username. For example, I'll use monitor plan. Is it available? Oh, it is. I'll sign up. Remember, this is our username, not our name. I'll explain more later. At this point, you've created an account. In the next video, we'll improve our account and discuss its status.